Hello, friends. I'm Zippy, your jungle explorer buddy. Let's go deep into the wild and learn the names and sounds of 20 jungle animals. Are you ready? Let's roll. Yahoo! Look, that's the mighty lion, Roar. Here comes a striped hunter, the tiger, Jur. Big ears, long trunk. It's an elephant, Karoo. Can you hear that hiss? That's a snake. Snap, snap. It's a crocodile. Chomp, chomp. Hey, kids. Let's play a game. Do you remember the name of the first animal we saw? Did you say lion? Roar. Great job. That's a big one, the gorilla. Oh, this spotted cat is the leopard. Wow. Look at that colorful bird. It's a macaw. Here's another bird. It's the toucan with a big beak. Flap, flap. Look, it's a beautiful butterfly. Do you remember what colorful bird we just saw? Yes, the toucan. You're so smart. Look, a cuddly jungle bear. That's a honey bear. Sneaky and strong, the jaguar. Slow and sleepy, it's the sloth. Jumping around, it's a silly monkey. Creepy crawly time, meet the army ants. Which animal crawls in a big group? Yes, army ants. You guys are jungle experts. Flying high, it's the eagle. This one loves the sun. It's a lizard. Back to birds. Meet the talkative parrot. Quietly walking, it's a deer in a forest. Last one, a smart and playful chimpanzee. Woo! You met 20 amazing jungle animals today. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more animal adventures with me, Zippy. Yes, I am your Zippy. Bye-bye.